So Samsung is doing something crazy. So they're releasing a tri-foldable phone in Q4 of this year. So sometime later this year, they're going to release this and the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. And that's not really too strange. They released a special edition last year of the Z Fold 6, so makes sense. But here's the kicker. Every other tri-foldable phone on the market has a 10-inch inside display. Usually you round it up to the biggest number, 8-inch inside display, 10-inch inside display. Well, Samsung is releasing a 9.9-inch inside display. Which, it's not that big of a deal, but why not just make it 10 inches? Right? It's one of those things where it's like, it's a Samsung move. And it's not a negative thing. I mean, at the end of the day, it's like, okay, well, it's still plenty big. It's still going to get the job done. And anyone who does pick it up with the increased $3,000 price tag, they're still going to really like the phone and so use it as a multimedia extension. But it's that little thing that Samsung does that they use to separate them from the competition. And this is the competition separation. Instead of giving us a 10-inch inside display, they're going with a solid 9.9-inch inside display, which, again, doesn't change much. But, for example, the Huawei Mate XT has a 10.2-inch inside display. I really don't understand the 0.2. Why not just do a round number like 10? I don't get the 0.2. It's going to have a 9.96-inch total inside display and a 6.49-inch outside display when you could just make it a 6.5 outside display. I feel like numbers look a lot better in advertisements when they're whole numbers. When it's like, it's a 10, it's a 9, it's an 8. Once you start getting to well, this is a 10-point blank, 9-point blank, I feel like the average consumer just kind of goes, okay, that's kind of weird. But I guess the person buying this type of phone for $3,000 is not the average consumer. Which even means more, you probably should make it as big as possible. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy to say that, but it is definitely one of those situations where Samsung's first tri-foldable phone is 9.9 inches, 9.96 inches, excuse me, which means their second tri-foldable phone will most likely be 10 inches. And they're going to call that an upgrade. Somewhat of whatever upgrade they can, they're going to call that an upgrade. It's a 10-inch inside display next year. But this year, you're getting the 9.9. Shout out to Samsung. Only Samsung would do this.